We are going to align these pulleys. Took this cover off this exhaust fan and I noticed that the motor had dropped, or at least the pulley had dropped. I checked to see if there was any adjustment here, and there's not really, but I see that this has dropped. I don't know if it was put together like that originally, but what's going on is it's going to wear the bottom of this pulley out and top of this pulley on top of wearing the belt out. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Real simple. This works the same as if you were using a much larger, if you had larger pulleys, smaller pulleys, whatever. You can use your tape measure and use the big pulley here as your guide, and you can see that how much lower that pulley is. So let's get our Allen wrenches out and see what size it is. It's that one right there. We're going to pop that loose. Yeah, I was hoping that we'd have a nice, easy time moving this pulley. There it goes. It's not one to go up very easy. Let's take this out some more. Alright. Let's go ahead and do just a little prying. We don't want a whole lot of torque put on that. Alright, so this one isn't going to move very well, so what we're going to do is raised up size it'll go. We're going to tighten that one back down. We'll go ahead and move and adjust the other one. We just want to make life simple. I could run out to the truck and get my pulley pullers, but no sense in all that. So let's rotate this on around here. And you want to be careful, there's a keyway in there. Okay, so we're just going to tap it a little bit. Now I'm going to use my tape measure again. I'll show you another way to do this, and that's with a level. So you can put the level on here and check it that way. What we're looking at, not the level, but we're looking at right here. We're right there in the ballpark, so let's see what it looks like. Went a little too far. We're going to go back up on that just a smidge, double check it again. Yeah, it's right there. That is real close. So get in here and tighten up that set screw. Hopefully all this is showing up on camera. Okay. It's always good to put your tools right back when you're done with it, so you don't end up losing anything or making a mess. Alright, so let's check out this belt, see how it looks. She's glazed. I don't see any cracks, but she's definitely glazed. Oh yeah, there's some stress cracks right there, but she's worn out for sure. You can see all of the residue. So that belt was a 3L190, and I think both of these left here are 3L190s. Yeah, there's a 3L190 right there. Let's put that on. Tighten this side down first. Yeah, that looks a lot better. Okay, flip the switch. Beautiful. All right, that's all there is to leveling out and aligning pulleys, and this will work on any type of blower situation. It's got 2 pulleys or even 3 pulleys and a belt. So thanks for watching. We'll see you all on the next video.